Today on my short vlog I will show you a beautiful waterfall. 90s house. This waterfall lies between the Dolakha district and Ramechhap, and it is known as Thela Khola. It took us nearly 1 hour to reach in river. Grandfather resting after agriculture work. Wow, I'm very excited.
Finally, contact university I here.
I've been here multiple times 5 years ago. It seems hard to cross the river fast. Despite trying to hook a fish. Look, this is amazing view. It is approximately 150 to 200 meter height. Literally, I cannot explain that moment I fell in there. It feels like a little bit fierce. The spray of that water is like a smoke. It makes me very crazy, yeah. When I look up, water is falling in towards me in the speed of 200 kilometers per hour. I swim like a frog style. This makes looks. I laugh at all when I see this. Water is very crystal clear and it's a little bit cold, but it makes me pressure. Yeah, I swim there almost half an hour. Cleansing my body and taking a short sunbath. Once more, I swim again. This precious time makes me connect with the nature. Wow. I meditated here a few minutes. The sound of the surrounding makes me very insensitive, yeah, and deeper. Now it's time to back to home. This land is almost full of potatoes. We call it beshi in Nepali language. We are having some noodles and milk. Wow, tasty. Small but very attractive house. Wild cactus. Some views of sun's cloudy sun. Please subscribe and like. Thank you. See you soon. Namaste.